VEDA, how's the experiment going with the masalas?
Yes, thank you for all support. It was really helpful, and I done my chickpeas, which I soaked in all these tempered in spices. And guys, for the first time since months, I end up my day without being bloated and heavy in my belly. It
Oh,
was
really?
immediately results.
Wow.
So thank you. Amazing. I felt
These,
amazing.
you can thank these
Yes.
guys. They suggested
I
me many
thank you.
things.
I'm really thank you from my heart because it's such a supportive group.
Yeah.
I'm really thank
Yeah,
you.
they are
Really
very nice
appreciate it.
people. They are
Yes,
very
yes,
helpful,
yes,
isn't it?
yes.
That's
Thank
great.
you.
Always, always there for everyone.
Mm.
That's great. Great. See, things works. When you do it right, everything works, isn't it? You just need to try. The only problem is we just listen and we don't try. But I can see that in the group only Aga is very furious about trying, The thing, the moment she is get to knowing something and she's just trying directly, she's getting the results also. That's fantastic. Because it works. Food is just like a drug, it just works like this when you just do the change in your diet. Wonderful. Good to know this. I hope others also are feeling something, maybe if they are doing really, because that will only work when you will try, unless it will not, for sure. Right? Yes, Manaji?
Sir, I tried from day one. The moment I realized that my healthy is not my healthy, actually. So that was the thing, the transformation thing for me. So from day one, the moment I realized that all the veggies I have been eating is actually not healthy for me, is a big transformation for me. And the moment I changed, I have had a tremendous change in the bloating part, basically, because that is what I was rendering. Otherwise there was no problem at all with me. I mean, even if I'm pitta or vata or whatever, I didn't have acidity, I didn't have all those things. Only thing in pitta I had is the warm body that I have, and the perspiration part, that's it. Other than that there is nothing. But yes, the bloating for the vata completely cleared. It is absolutely rocking for me. And the morning energies, as you suggested, the best. I mean, that day I had told you I made capsicum ki bhaji and I was like totally sad after that. And morning was so lethargic, and I was like, what happened? Because I'm never like that. I'm always like energetic. And I was like, what happened? Why am I not waking up? Why am I not waking up? It's like that. But yes, that was the transformation part for me, and it is rocking for me. So yes.
That's great. Wonderful. Good to hear all these things, because if something, is transforming you for good, so it is always good for me to hear this, and this is why we are doing this course. If you are not getting any results out of it, then it is just waste from my side also, isn't it? Wasting of time, wasting of everything. So I'm glad to hear this, that if you're applying things and it is working for you, that's wonderful. Yes, Vannaji?
Same thing, sir, with me. Though I'm still confused at what kind of body I have, Pitta or Kapha. But yes, since I am like on intermittent fasting, so I used to have heavy meal, like last meal at 5 or 6. I used to have heavy. I never realized that I should stop by with my first burp. So now and after that, I used to feel so heavy, and I was just walking here and there just to feel light. But now I just realize that after first burp, I should stop then and there. Even the leftover, I have used to, leave it like that only. So after that only, I'm feeling so light that something is happening with my body. I feel so light, so like rest of the day is so relaxed. Earlier, I used to feel so heavy and uncomfortable.
That's great. That's wonderful
Yeah.
news. That only just by doing little awareness, just
Though I'm
observation that,
seriously, I am implementing very small thing, because changing pots, get rid of
yeah, yeah,
microwave and
yeah,
freeze, it
yeah,
is
yeah,
it is little
yeah,
difficult. But
yeah,
seriously, I'm implementing small thing. i
yes,
i never eat my food if I'm angry, or if I don't feel like to have it. I just leave it just like that. I request my kids and husband also, don't eat if you're not happy.
yes.
So small thing. I sit on the floor and I eat it. They said, what are you doing? I said, I am doing it. If you want to do it, please do it with me.
That's
So
great.
very small changes I am doing, and let's see. Later, I'll do big
Wonderful,
ones.
wonderful, wonderful. That's fantastic. Yes, Aditya ji.
So there is much awareness now, like when you take the spices or while cooking everywhere, a good awareness. And I used to chew, I don't chew food much. I used to simply eat. So I'm thinking now, while having, in between it happens, and then, oh no, this is not the way I have, and get the taste. So that awareness has come, and it's really nice.
That's great.
I
Good.
think I had bloating because of that. I used to
Yes.
gulp it off like that. Thank you.
Okay. Great, Sajita ji. Thank you for sharing. Yes.
Gaurav sir, I'm getting compliment from my wife कि तेरी belly अंदर जा रही है.
Oh, that's great. In 10 days only.
वो कह रही है यहाँ से चली गई अंदर.
Oh, really?
Thank you so much.
That's good. That is a good compliment from wife side, especially for you.
Yeah.
Normally it doesn't happen. Okay, great. Thank you, Saurabh. Okay, I hope, okay, a couple of people will join at their own time. Let us start, guys. Okay. We have to cover certain spices, certain leftovers. We could not do like couple of things of yesterday's. A couple of your fruits wishes. So I also added them. So let us see those things.